Rachel. I am the social media manager for 08 Leader USA. We are partnering again with Wishtrend, and we are bringing back the mandelic acid 5% skin prep water. So what is this? The name is a little bit long if you aren't familiar with this, but it is a gentle exfoliator. You can use it as a toner or just as an exfoliator. This is such a great exfoliator. It's not super stripping, it's not super harsh. I have very sensitive skin, so I have to be very careful with exfoliating products because if I over exfoliate, that really hurts my skin barrier. I get lots of dry skin. It's not good. I did it last winter and oh my god, my skin was a mess. It is very mild. This is 5% in here, and it's really helpful to remove dead skin cells and smooth out your skin. So very liquidy, as it almost fell everywhere, but it rubs in very, very quickly. By Wishtrend is their other brand that really focuses on bringing just fantastic skincare products, but in a minimalistic way. And seriously, mandelic acid is a wonderful skincare ingredient, and you're going to want to try this out for yourself. And really what you're supposed to do is, after cleansing, apply an adequate amount to the skin and pat lightly to absorb. Really try this out. I know you will not be disappointed, and this will be on 08 Leader. And part of the reason why it's such a big event is we have 100 of these available. So everyone can try it for themselves. Definitely set your alarm, and it will be up on Tuesday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay guys, and this one is up right now on 08 Leader, is the Manyo Factory Deep Pore Cleansing Soda Foam. So it is a ultra facial cleansing from nature is what the package says, but it is a really effective cleanser that deep into your pores but without being super harsh. So it is going to leave your face super smooth and fresh, and it's just so nice. Manyo Factory is really great for very pure products. This product I've been using at nighttime. This is my nighttime cleanser at the moment. So usually I shower at night, and when I'm in the shower, I wash my face with this deep pore cleanser. And man, I can tell a difference. It just removes all of the dirt and impurities from my skin, removes the makeup, and it just leaves my skin feeling so fresh and wonderful. I don't have any water around me, but I'll show you the texture. It's like this green, and it does, when you add water, it does foam, so it turns white. A really nice shine, and it smells nice too. It has this like green, fresh scent to it. Okay, next we have another product that's coming back. We have a set, so we have the Hutomi sun cream plus the mask pack. This is such a good deal, and honestly I have to say the mask packs are some of my favorites, and this sun cream is such a good sun cream. It's really lightweight. It will go easily under your makeup, and it's just so easy to use. No white cast, which is amazing. So this is the Hutomi sun cream. It is SPF 50 plus PA plus. So that is going to give you all the protection, but it does rub in and it will not leave a white cast, and it will leave your skin feeling super light and hydrated, which I love. I hate when you put on sun cream and it's just like, you feel it, you know? So this is not like that. Yes, it is fantastic if you have dry skin. I know a lot of Leaderites are commenting that they have this sun cream and they love it. Seriously, I've tested out a lot of sun creams this summer for 08 Leader, and this is honestly one of my favorites. But you do also get a box of mask packs. So you get a full box, which includes 10. So you get 10 masks. Oh, they're still in the package. But you get the 10 masks plus the sunscreen. So this one will be up on Tuesday. Try now at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, guys, next anywhere yet, just yet. We have Beauty Kitchen once again, and this one's a little bit different. So we do have a lot of skin polishes or like kind of like scrubs from them. Beauty Kitchen is going to be up on Wednesday at 4 p.m. And this is try now. And the cool thing with this one is that it is called Black Tie Affair. And it is a great way to kind of share your love of skincare with the man in your life. It smells really nice. It's not overpowering at all, and this one is really just good for smoothing out skin and just giving your skin just a wonderful polish. As I said, skin polish. So, and honestly, women and men can both use this, but it does have kind of a more diluted scent to it. So this one, as I said, is Beauty Kitchen, has really nice skin polishes, and this one is the Black Tie Affair skin polish, and it will be up on Wednesday, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay guys, we have the EUI Labs. This is a brand new product, and it is called the Refreshing Collagen Toner. So this is a toner, and it has this beautiful blue color to it. And this is a wonderful toner that has anti-aging effects. It hydrates, it smooths your skin, it softens skin, it also balances your pH levels. And this one will be up on Friday. We are hoping to bring even more products in the near future, more categories, more everything. So please continue to support us here at 08 Leader. And seriously, I love interacting with our leaderites. If you do have any questions or concerns, you can always send us a message on DM, on Instagram, or via customer service. We read all the messages and we respond as quickly as we can. So thank you guys so much for watching. I am Rachel, social media manager here at 08 Leader USA, and I love interacting and talking with you guys. So have a wonderful Monday night. I hope you have done your skincare routine and your skin is absolutely glowing. And stay tuned for Allie and Den joining you on Thursday night for Instagram Live. So have a good night, guys. Bye-bye.